Hello, my dear students. Our lesson for today is area of triangle. Let's start our lesson. What we will learn: to find the area of triangle, find missing dimension given area of triangle. Today, I will talk about the first topic, which is find the area of triangle. The new vocabulary is congruent. Here, the area of triangle is the product of the half the product of the base and the height. So, as we have taken before, the area of parallelogram was base times height. The formula was base times height. Now, the area of triangle is half times base times height, or area equals base times height divided by 2. First, find the area of this triangle. So this is my base and this is the height. How did I know that is the height? Because the height is perpendicular on the corresponding base. So this height is perpendicular, which form a right angle. Now, it's a unit, so I have to count how many units for the base. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The base has 6 units. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the height has 4 units. So 6 units for the base and 4 units for the height. Let's remember the formula. Area equals half base height, or base times height divided by 2. Now, if I multiply 6 times 4 is 24, then half the 24 is 12. The area equals 12 square units. And don't forget to write the unit of area. Let's move to the next. How to find the area of this triangle? First of all, I want to count the base and the height. Is this the base? No. The base and the height, they are perpendicular on each other and forming a right angle. So this is the base and that is the height. First, let's count together. How many units for the base? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the base is 5. And how many units for the height? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So the height is 8. Now, let's write down the rule. The rule said that area equals what? Base times height and divided by 2. Sometimes we write it half base height and both are right. Now, let's try it. Area equals. Now the base is 5 multiplied by 8 and then divided by 2. Let's try it. Yes. So here, 8. 5 times 8 is 40. 40 divided by 2 is 20. So the area is 20. 20 what? Is it centimeters, millimeters? It's units. Yes. So it's a 20 square units. Let's move to the next. Here, find the area of the triangle. And here I have 12.1 meter as a base. And the perpendicular, this is perpendicular. So this is the height of the corresponding base is 6.4 meters. Now, the formula is half base times height. I will multiply first 12.1 times 6.4. The answer of multiplication, the product of these two numbers, is 77.44. So I will divide this number by 2 because this is half the product of base and height. The area equals 38.72. What? Don't forget to write down the unit of the area here, meter, so it's a square meter. Let's move to the next. Find the area of a triangle. Now, the triangle its base is 16 centimeters and the height is 8 centimeters. What shall I do? First of all, I have to write down the rule. Area equals half base height or base times height divided by 2. And it's very important to write down the formula. Divided by 2. Now I will multiply 16 times 8, then divided by 2. So I can write down area equals 16 multiplied by 8 and then divided by 2. So this is too easy to simplify before I will start multiplication and then divided by 2. I can simplify here because these two numbers, the numbers are even and they are also in table 2. So I can simplify 16 and 2 divided 2 is 1 and 16 divided 2 is 8. Now it's easy to find the product of 8 multiplied by 8, which equals 64. And now it's 64 what? Centimeter. And don't forget to write the unit here. It's a centimeter square. So now the area is 64 centimeter square. Let's check our answer. Yes, it's 64 centimeter square. From the previous, you can know that area equals half base times height or base times height divided by 2. And notice the height is perpendicular on the corresponding base. So you should be sure that is the height that you want. Now I have finished my session for today. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.